Welcome to another video from RXB TUBE channel. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Let's go. Welcome to the 5-minute science video series with RXB TUBE. Hawk's head stabilization. Precise head stabilization is a crucial part to the success a hawk has when hunting, as maintaining a motionless visual field gives the benefit of remaining focused on prey. Multimodal sensory feedback from the eyes, the vestibular system, and proprioceptors in body and neck is required to control head stabilization. Dacosaurus is an extinct prehistoric crocodile, which lived approximately 150 million to 130 million years ago, from the late Jurassic period through the early Cretaceous period. It was first discovered during the mid-19th century and was named by Friedrich August von Quenstedt in 1856. Its name means tearing lizard. Looking at Dacosaurus pictures, you might be tempted to think that this animal was not a true crocodile, but was actually a mosasaur like Tylosaurus or Clydasts, animals which roamed the oceans around North America millions of years before Dacosaurus came onto the scene. However, Dacosaurus was, in fact, a true prehistoric crocodile, even though it didn't look like one. Male giraffes fight each other to mate with females, and they wage this fight by banging their necks. Those with bigger and thicker necks win the battle, and ensure the continuity of their genes by having sexual intercourse. Those with smaller necks and shorter necks lost the battle, and cannot transmit their genes. That's why their genes are eliminated. This event continues for generations. And eventually the genes of those with small and short necks are eliminated. Thus, the size of giraffes becomes long, large and thick after generations. This video shows what Tesla Autopilot's neural network sees on the road. Tesla says the system relies on per-camera networks to analyze raw images to perform semantic segmentation, object detection, and monocular depth estimation. It employs bird's-eye view networks to take a video from all cameras to output the road layout, static infrastructure, and 3D objects directly in the top-down view. This mama Suriname toad put the whole team on her back. She's literally carrying the whole family. 3 to 4 months ago, eggs were fertilized and pushed onto her back where honeycomb-like pockets enclosed the eggs completely. The embryos developed inside these pockets, and now they're emerging as fully developed miniature toads. A motorized sperm bot helping sperm reach and penetrate an egg. A breakthrough in artificial insemination. Researchers describe the sperm bot as a metal helix controlled by a rotating magnetic field that can wrap around a sperm's tail and propel it through a fluid chamber. The helix then reverses its direction to release the sperm once it lodges in the wall of an egg. The effects of a Komodo dragon bite on this poor chop. Contrary to popular belief, where there is a myth that a Komodo's bite is loaded with bacteria that kills its prey. This is not true. They have venom glands, which are loaded with toxins that lower blood pressure, cause massive bleeding, prevent clotting, and induce shock. Edge of a rainstorm. Have you ever wondered how does heavy rain stay up in the clouds? Well, the average drop inside a cloud is about 1/5 of the thickness of a piece of paper. So while an entire cloud may be as massive as an elephant, the water inside isn't grouped into elephant-sized clumps, and the individual droplets are much lighter than the air around them. On average, the space a cloud sits in will weigh about 1,000 times more than the cloud itself. The complex wind patterns that swirl below and around these clouds also help the microdroplets stay afloat. There are week. If you enjoy it, like it and subscribe RXB TUBE channel to see more videos. Here are suggested 2 videos you can watch if you wish. By the way, follow us on Instagram, rxb.tube. Good luck.